Supply chain issues are making it harder to find medicine, from over-the-counter drugs like Tylenol to prescriptions like Adderall. And right now, more than 1,400 medications are in short supply. The generic drug market accounting for 90% of available drugs in the nation, and low supply of these cheaper drugs is creating chaos. But these shortages are life or death in some cases. 14 cancer drug shortages, sending hospitals into crisis mode, forcing them to ration drugs and even space out chemotherapy treatments for some patients. And that's what happened to Ryan Dwars. The 36-year-old was set for a round of chemo last month, but there just was not enough available. His doctor even telling him, even though he already beat cancer 2 years before, his current case just is not extreme enough to get priority over others. So Ryan Dwars and his wife, Brooke, join us live. Ryan and Brooke, thank you both for joining us this afternoon. I'm so sorry to hear this. Ryan, I know you were supposed to receive your final doses of chemotherapy because of spots found on your liver. So walk us through why that didn't happen.
So I was actually lucky to be able to receive all of my treatments. And so thanks to an organization called Angels for Change, and Nichole Berlie is the leader of that organization, we were able to get the chemo drug that I specifically had been on for the last 5 months, and was able to get those last treatments starting a month ago. That cisplatin was the name of the drug, and that was what was in was a shortage of. And so with the help of Laura and Angels for Change, I was able to get my last 4 treatments of my chemo drug that I was taking for the last 5 months.
That is amazing news, Ryan. I'm so glad to hear that. But were it not for this organization, kind of walk us through what you were told.
Yeah, so I mean, we found out on a Tuesday night, when we had met with my oncologist, and my next treatment was supposed to be that Friday. And so within the span of 48 hours, there was a range of emotions as to our the treatment plan that my doctor had prescribed. And I have a genetic mutation called BRCA2. And so that genetic mutation, there are platinum-based drugs that have better results with somebody with the genetic mutation like I have. And so it's really essential to get those platinum-based drugs. And so this one was cisplatin. And so, the worry and the change of plans, especially, on such a short time crunch, luckily, like I said, we were able to get, be in contact with Angels for Change, and she was able to work with our hospital, and both of them working together were able to find a supply. But, within the span of 48 hours, it was very nerve-wracking to, we would maybe have to change a plan that was working very well. And I only had about 4 treatments left. And so the fact that I was able to get those in such short time period was wonderful. And so thanks to our hospital and the doctors and Angels for Change that we were able to get that done.
Absolutely. So thankful for that. Brooke, I want to talk to you. I mean, you and Ryan have kids. What was that process like for you, thinking, initially that your husband may not be able to get the treatment that he needs?
Yeah, I was incredibly shocked. We go to a wonderful hospital, and it's kind of one of those things that you just never really think it's going to happen to you. We'd heard about drug shortages happening. In fact, we'd experienced a drug shortage ourselves a couple months prior for something that wasn't as pertinent to need, and did not think at all that this was going to be something that we were going to have to deal with at this point in time in our journey. Yeah, we were shocked, and I kind of figured that we were not going to take that as an answer. So we did what we could. And luckily, again, we're connected to Angels for Change, who was able to advocate for us along with our hospital, in trying to get the treatment that Ryan needed and deserved.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.